welcome to AGR Organics. Today I'm going to make air fry onion for lunch. It's 2 o'clock already. Okay, so this is the water, fresh water. I put red wine vinegar in it. I put some salt. And here's the onion. I cut the head and I'm going to get them ready to be fried. Okay, I forgot to tell you that I'm using sweet onion. So now I'm cutting them. I make sure I have a bowl under so it doesn't go all the way down. This one. Make sure all slice good. Okay. So now I'm going to put it in the water to be soaked. The water have salt and red wine vinegar, sorry. Okay, so this one I'm going to do. Okay, for the sauce I have 2 beaten eggs. I have half cup of grated cheese, Parmesan cheese. I have here, I have almond, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, and I have walnut and some pecan. I'm going to put it in my food processor, and I have some hot pepper in it too. Okay, this is millet flour. This is what I'm going to use first. First, I'm going to get the onion, put it in the millet flour, and put some millet flour inside. Then I'm putting in the eggs. sure the eggs goes in. And this is the nuts and the cheese. Put it on the fryer. And parchment paper. Put it in the air fryer. Here it is, three onion. I had 2 slices of salmon that will be a lunch to eat. Like I said, I use 3 sweet onion and like 2 eggs, and I use almond, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, you know, and millet flour. Now I'm going to put it in my air fryer. Put it on 400. So now it's warming, and when it's ready, I'm going to put it for 25 minutes. Okay, my onion is ready with salmon. This is what we're going to eat. If you like it, just give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.